Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is May the 19th, 2018, and I wanted to show you my radish seedlings here. They did germinate for me. You can see they're starting to get their true leaves. And I did wind up doing 2 rows of them. So I will come in and work around these here then to loosen the ground up some. We've been getting rain, so this is still wet. I just want to show you this. And one thing with garden troughs is they do dry out quicker, so you do want to check them for water. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank yous for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.